Did you know nearly 65% of Americans say they live paycheck to paycheck, and only 39% invest outside of retirement accounts? Are you struggling to find extra money to invest? In this video, I'll show you how to build a bulletproof budget so you can start investing without feeling like you're sacrificing everything. Welcome back to Simply Money. What is a bulletproof budget? It's a budget designed not just to track expenses, but to prioritize wealth building and investment goals. So, why does this matter? If you're not budgeting for investments, you're missing out on long term wealth creation. What we'll learn today is a step by step process to build a budget that ensures you always have money to invest. Let me say that again. You will always have money to invest, no matter your income level. Here's the problem why budgeting for investing is so hard. Misconception number one: people think they need to be debt-free before investing. If you've watched this channel, you know that I'm a big proponent of being debt-free and working toward that. But you don't have to wait to start investing until you are debt-free. You can balance both. Misconception number two is that investing is only for high earners, but even a $50 a month investment can make a huge difference. The real challenge is most budgets focus only on expenses, and it neglects future financial growth. Did you know 50% of U.S. adults don't even have a budget? Well, we're going to fix that today if you'll follow this advice. Here's the solution and how to build a bulletproof budget. Step one is you need to track your expenses. Find where your money is really going. Use a budgeting app like MyNAB. You need a budget, or spreadsheets, or Pocket Guard. I have video reviews on the channel about Pocket Guard, or join the community in our Simply Money Mall in the link below in the description, and we have a budgeting app that you can use there as well. Step number two is set clear investment goals. Are you saving for retirement, real estate, or index funds? Step three, follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, housing, food, utilities. 30% of your income goes to wants, lifestyle expenses. And 20% goes to saving and investing. Prioritize growing your wealth. Step number four is automate your investments. Set up that automatic transfer to your investment account so you pay yourself first. So here's a key strategy on how to make your budget bulletproof. The pay yourself first method. Before you pay bills, spend on lifestyle expenses, invest first. Set up an automatic $100 monthly transfer to your brokerage account before you even touch your paycheck. Whatever amount you set up, but set it up to where it's automatic to you, where you don't see it and you don't get to touch it, and that goes out before anything else. This works because it forces you to prioritize wealth building. It helps eliminate lifestyle creep, and it makes investing a habit, not an afterthought. See, this matters for your financial future, and you have to take proactive steps to make sure you're doing the things that are required in order to reach financial freedom. A bulletproof budget ensures you always have money to invest. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who budgets wisely. And the earlier you start, the less you need to invest for long-term wealth. Starting early makes it easier. I know it's hard and you don't see that compounding. I was just talking to my wife the other day. Her portfolio, just at the time of this recording, had actually just dropped about 10%. And she asked me what the portfolio was at, and I told her the figure, and her jaw dropped. She couldn't believe that it had dropped that many dollars. The dollars is what got her. The 10%, it was like, oh, that's not good. But when she heard the dollar figure, her jaw dropped. And I told her that's less than what it had dropped about 10 years ago. And the percentage-wise was way more. It was almost 20%. But the amount dollar-wise was far less because we had far less invested. See, it's going to happen, and you need to understand that it's part of the process. But starting early allows you to build that wealth, and you're not seeing that big gain because it works the opposite way. A 10% gain on $10,000 doesn't really seem like a whole lot at the time. But a 10% gain on $1 million portfolio, you see that $100,000 jump and you start getting excited. See, it works both ways, but you have to start early and allow those 10%, 20% changes, even on the small dollar amount, to compound to where you get to the point later in life where you have those larger dollar amounts. What's your biggest budgeting challenge? Let's talk. Share it in the comments below. Let's have a little dialogue between listeners. What is it that keeps you struggling with a budget? If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so when future videos are dropped, you're notified immediately. And we'll see you next time on Simply Money.